Hey everybody, welcome to my art and cooking channel. My name is Cynthia Maynard. Thank you for stopping by and coming back again. And if you are a first time visitor, if you could hit that like and subscribe at the end if you enjoyed this video. This is a haul from Jet Pens. I was running low on some things, and what's nice about Jet Pens, they have, I think it's $25 and you get free shipping, so that's easy to do. So it's a smaller haul, but they were some things that I use a lot, like this pen. It's a disposable, says it's disposable, it lasts a really long time, a pen from Zebra company, and I really like it. It works well with wet media, and they aren't too expensive per pen. So I got a couple more. I was showing you the open one that I'm already using, and then I have two on deck waiting to go. And then this next here is this Prismacolor colorless blender. I really like it, and as you can see here, I'm just showing you how that works. It looks like a colored pencil, but it's kind of has that bald look on the on the outside, and then you can blend them together really well. And I suppose every company has their own blender for that, but I really like the Prismacolor one, and I tend to reach for my Prismacolor pencils the most. And then I got a couple little tiny palettes because I'm always needing some little spots to put my ink, and these were very inexpensive, and so I went ahead and got a couple of those. They may stain a little bit just because they're a tiny bit porous, but here I've got some of my acrylic inks in there, and I did go wash it out when I was done with this video, and there are a couple spots I can't get out, but it's fine overall. I mean, half my room looks like that anyways. But confessions. But yeah, so I also tried this paintbrush. This is an interesting little guy. It was very inexpensive, but is a Neo Sable. It's from Pentel, and it's from Japan, and it has this like purple plastic housing, but it has this round brush that comes to a very fine tip, and it's good in a pinch. I mean, I wouldn't, outfit my whole brush collection with it, but I thought I would try it, and I actually liked it. It was a pretty decent brush for the price, and like I said, I wouldn't get a ton of them, but I thought I wanted to try it, and it turned out really nice. Here I am with my Peerless watercolors, just kind of giving it a go. It's nice to hold. I like the contour feel when you hold it. It's very sturdy, and the tip is very fine, so it's nice because you can get thick and very fine lines from all one brush. Yeah, it was easy to clean. What can I say? Anyways, so I was trying that out for you so you could see that. And then here I have ones that I tend to gravitate towards these the Zen line. I'm trying to reach for one here from Royal and Langton, or Langnickel. I always want to say Langton. And a couple round brushes that I use quite often. And I can't remember now if that was a 6 and an 8. Those are kind of the sizes I use the most, I would say. And I like them too because at the ends they have that sort of flat mark making ability that you could use for that. But they are also pretty decent brushes, and I'm used to using those, so everybody has their thing that they like, but and I like them because the price isn't too dear, and you can get lots of different sizes in them. So I think I have a flat as well that I use that I really like, and yeah, so they're a good length if you like to do like canvas on your easel. I feel like they're a decent length to still be able to hold, and also for close work like I'm doing here in my art journal, or if I were just doing a piece of watercolor paper on my desk. So I got two of those, and then this was something new that I tried, and I really like it. It comes with this little leather, well, it's probably faux leather, but this little housing thing to put the tip into, just like that. And you can get different colors. I chose the blush pink. You can barely see that, and you can see how light it is. But what's really nice about that is that when you're sketching and when you're going to go paint something, it doesn't have this harsh line. to it that is hard to erase. So it's very light and I can still see it. So it works really well for when you're sketching out what you're going to paint, in my opinion. And here I am showing you with my Prismacolor eraser there. That is, and the tips are replaceable. So if you look on jet pens, you can get these in different colors, but the tips are replaceable. So once you kind of wear out that tip, it's supposed to be a selling point that you don't need to sharpen it. And you just basically wear it out and replace the tip. So I guess, but it's nice and it's kind of an interesting thing. So try it out. You might like it. Anyways, thanks for joining me for this jet pens haul. I hope that you have a blessed day.